So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down, then guys type HP ProBook 430 G7. Select operating system which is you using, then click to submit. If you are other using, so installation process same. Slow down, find out the network driver. So that is, this is Bluetooth, this is Wi-Fi. Okay, so click to download Wi-Fi latest driver, and now this is ready to install, ready to downloading. And this just single click to set up. VLAN means Wi-Fi. Yes. Next. I accept. Next. Next. So it is completed after you restart your system. Then check it.